she sitting in
What?
Fairy thing up there.
Yeah, well.
Hiya, honey.
Very clever.
Hiya, honey. Do you want to go on a date? You'll have to stand up.
We don't have anything specific for people with special needs, and we felt it was a sort of a gap that we had. We have people doing casual visiting in the garden, but we didn't have any educational sessions, which obviously what a Botanic Garden is about, is education.
Oh.
We do get great for it later. Yeah, exactly.
See how they're coming on.
So, as you probably know, dried mixed herbs. So, I've got a few left from the shop if you want to have a smell. No, it won't. Yours won't smell quite the same because obviously you'll have a different combination. But we've got sage, oregano, a type of mint. Okay, so over to you. Start chopping. This project has been with the University of Leicester Botanic Garden and Mosaic Disability Services. The whole thing was based around trying to use different aspects of the Botanic Garden and, you know, what Botanic Gardens are here for and what they can do.
You are very clever.
Thank you.
And they looked at the herb garden particularly and all the different ways plants are used, both culinary and medicinal. And the culinary one, we had some herbs they could chop up and form bags of mixed herbs.
That is a good
Yeah. I think it's safe to say that that's full. Thank you very much.
Yeah. You welcome anytime.
Okay.
Learning is very important outside, and it's often an experience, especially in our very closed office world, that people don't necessarily have. And you know, it's an opportunity to get out, nature, peace, time together, and all that can't be had shut necessarily in a little building.
It's just so relaxing for everyone. It's something completely different. I mean, living in Leicester, there's not many really big places like this that are easy to get to for everybody.
Do you want me to help you? Yeah. What shall we do?
I don't know.
What about doing a long roll and then winding it round?
Like a sausage.
Like a sausage, yes, yeah. What about doing that? You've not done it for a while?
No. It's about 23 years.
23 years, is it?
Yeah. My eldest sister born in 1951.
Right.
So that's...
Four of you?
Yeah. Yeah. But them three, you know, were all able-bodied.
Yes.
Like
Yes, yeah.
Too close, isn't it?
No, that's fine. So if you're doing like a zigzag...
I look forward to it. Every time I come to the group, I look forward to it. You know, it's fantastic. We have a joke, and he knows that, this chap here.
Yeah. We're arguing with each other.
It's a very magical, exciting space. It's got lots of nooks and crannies, lots of different planting, and even just saying, oh, isn't that a beautiful flower? For some of them, that's not a place they can get to.
I can't think of any other place where they can go and they can feel up all the plants and feel the different textures of the leaves and smell the different smells that are coming from.
I think there's been a very general positive feel that people don't want this to be an end, but a new beginning.